Hello everyone. Today we will see Laplace transform of growing exponential pulse. First of all, we will represent this pulse x of t is equal to e to the power at. So this is 1, this is x of t and this is e to the power at t is equal to 0. Now this x of t is equal to e to the power at u of t. This is also causal signal for t is greater than 0 and it is 0 otherwise. Now we have to find out Laplace transform. So first of all we will write formula of Laplace transform. X of s is equal to integration from minus infinity to infinity x of t e to the power minus st into dt. Now we have to put value of x of t. It is equal to from 0 to infinity e to the power at e to the power minus st into dt. Now we have to solve this integration from 0 to infinity e to the power a minus s in bracket t into dt. Now integration of this is equal to e to the power a minus s into t divided by a minus s. Zero to infinity. Now we have to put this limit. If we are putting infinity, you will get this 0, and if you are putting 0, you will get e to the power 0 divided by minus here you will get a minus s. Now you can write this 1 divided by s minus a. Now this Laplace transform x of s is equal to 1 divided by s minus a. Now we have to find out ROC of this signal. This is a causal signal, so s minus a should be greater than 0. So s should be greater than a. Now we have to plot this ROC. This is sigma, this is minus sigma, this is j omega, this is minus j omega, and if this is a, so the ROC will be greater. This is ROC. ROC will be greater than a. Now next we have to find out positive side decaying exponential signal. So positive side decaying exponential signal. Now first of all we have to represent this signal. This signal is a decaying signal. So this is 1 and this is a decaying signal e to the power minus at. So x of t is equal to e to the power minus at into u of t. Now we have to find out Laplace transform of this. So x of s is equal to from minus infinity to infinity x of t e to the power minus st into dt. Now we will put e to the power 0 to infinity. This is also causal signal. So e to the power minus at e to the power minus st into dt. Now we have to solve this integration e to the power minus a plus s t into dt. Now integration of this is e to the power minus a plus s t divided by minus a plus s. This is 0 to infinity. Now we have to put this limit. So first term will become 0 minus of this. We are putting value of t is equal to 0. So you will get e to the power 0 and here you will get minus a plus s. So you will get here 1 divided by a plus s, that is a Laplace transform. It is represented by x of s. Now we have to find out ROC, that will be equal to ROC. This is the causal signal. So a plus s will be greater than 0. So you will get s is greater than minus a. Now we have to plot this. This is minus a and this will be ROC will be greater than minus a. This is ROC.